Hello YouTube, I'm Nico, and you're probably here to get some strategies on how to get discovered on YouTube. When I started my other YouTube channel, 100% Zelda, I was able to get 100 subscribers, 11,000 views, 500 watched hours, and I uploaded 12 videos. So today, I'm going to give you some of the strategies that I use to get discovered on YouTube. The first thing I have to say is that you just have to make good videos, all right? YouTube is not against you. YouTube will only show videos to people if those videos are good. They'll test the videos with some people, and if those people like it, they watch it a lot, YouTube will share more of that to other people. Not in this video, but maybe next time I'll give some ideas of some stuff that I use in videos to make sure that people watch it as much as possible and hopefully that they like it as much as possible. Now, there are two big strategies that I used. One of them is Facebook, and the other is comments. Of course, there's keyword research. You could do that. I use VidIQ. Or if you simply just type in the words in the title and in the description of words that people will probably search for, that is one of the best strategies for searching. Now, for my first strategy of Facebook, this was before I even made a YouTube channel. I joined a whole bunch of Facebook groups about Zelda, and I would be involved. I would answer comments, I would help people, and there was a point where I realized some of the same questions were asked over and over again. So I even had some words like saved on my phone, and I would just copy and paste those answers. And then eventually I thought about it. I could make a YouTube channel and make videos answering those questions, and I would just share those videos anytime those questions were asked. So now whenever those questions are asked, sometimes I would, of course, like answer a few words. I wouldn't just share the video, but I would say, hey, you should do this, or you can also watch this video, and I share it. I like that comment too. So then other people will see that comment and they'll go to that video. The person who asked the question will go to that video. And if it gets enough likes, hearts, whatever, other people will watch that video, and that helped me get some views on YouTube. And what Facebook does, it likes to show, kind of like YouTube, wherever there's like a lot of activity. So sometimes I would even comment my comment just to make it look like there's more activity, and then I would like each comment that was added to that post. The other thing is, if you join a Facebook group, check the rules. A lot of them says no outside links. So what I do is every group that I went to, I had to make sure that links were allowed. And even then I would share my video. I don't know if I should say this, but I would share my video from YouTube, and I would say, hey, there's this video that I saw on YouTube. I hope you guys like it. And I didn't necessarily say it was mine, because some Facebook group says no self-promotion, but they don't know if it's self-promotion or not. But I did that sometimes too. Now, regularly, I could scroll through Facebook. Even now, I'll scroll through it and I can at least answer. There'll be one question asking me something about a video that I have on YouTube, and I still share the link at least once a day, or at least every other day now. So now, before you go on Facebook, search the group that you're in for the YouTube channel that you have, and there's a Facebook group for everything. Again, check the rules, make sure outside links are allowed. Also, be involved, be part of the community, and they will appreciate you more rather than being that one person that just sends links randomly. And Facebook was basically my biggest discovery tool that I used for the beginning of my YouTube. Hi, how's it going? Future Nico here. So I went on Facebook very recently, and I wanted to show this to you. I didn't know how to record and blur people's names, so I just took screenshots. But if you see this picture, you're going to see 3 questions in a row of questions that I have answers to through video. So the first one, best way to get shooting stars. So I actually happened to click to this one. Somebody already shared a link. Now I pretended I didn't see that link, so I shared the link myself. So this proves to this person or other people looking at this comment, this video is probably pretty good. And of course, I like both comments. The next video, ask best places to get rupees. As I scroll down, I see somebody happen to share my video. I like that comment. And of course, I didn't see that comment. So you know what? I'm going to share that video myself. So I share that video. Then the third question, of course, ask how to get this specific, which is durians in the game. I commented it and liked it. So as I scrolled down, I found another question that asked the best ways to get rupees. So I went to that comment and I said, use this video. This video is the best ways to get rupees. And then I was like, you know what? I was looking through that YouTube channel. There are other methods to get rupees. Click this video. This one tells you all the different methods. So I basically shared 2 of my videos without me spamming, and I'm really helping this person. Then if you look under that question, it's 2 questions in a row, which is, I just happen to be lucky this day. Thoughts on the DLC pass, is it worth it? And of course, I had a video for that. It basically says yes, but again, I shared my video, click the like, and besides that person who asked the question, maybe other people will watch that video. Now, the second strategy that I had is that I use the comments. And I'm speaking about comments in YouTube. So I do not go on other people's channels and send links there. But first of all, you guys should be answering, replying to all the comments that you get, and I'm sure you do. But the same thing, be involved. Don't just send an emoji. I do that sometimes, but it depends on the situation. But like, say thank you. If they ask a question, give an answer. But even better, if they ask a question, hopefully you have a video for that. So you say, oh, this is how you do that. Here's the link. And you share that link. Like the comment, like their comment, like all the comments. And scroll through all the comments. And even if there's something that's similar to one of the videos you have, share the video there. And people will look, they'll see that the YouTube person replied to this comment. So let me go see what he said. So they'll open it. Oh, they sent a link. So maybe they might click a link. So they'll click the link, go to your channel, or go to that video, and there goes another view. And in the very beginning, that's literally what I did. Again, 60 days, 100 subscribers, 11,000 views, 500 watched hours. But Facebook, comments, and just make good videos. By good videos, the quality doesn't have to be perfect, but if you're answering a question, just make sure that question gets answered and people will appreciate it, get to the point. And again, I'll make a video about this one day in the future, but that's the idea. So if this helps, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, I hope you're interested or curious in my YouTube journey. Follow along with me, see what's going on, and subscribe. And other than that, see you next time. Bye.